Yo, what is going on, guys? Today in this video, I'm going to be doing something I haven't done in a very long time. My brother whipped out this pack of gum today. I got my own pack, but it was some 5 gum. What do you know about 5 gum? You got to make 5 gum Grillz out of it. You just have to. There's no way around it. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make 5 gum Grillz. Let's get right on into it. The first step, get yourself a stick of 5 gum. Can't be any stick of gum. We don't need the gum, but the gum's pretty good. I do enjoy some 5 gum. Not a paid product placement nor a sponsorship of 5 gum. If you want to sponsor me, I will definitely stimulate my senses. But right back to it, gum. You know, you got to. Here's some good gum. So to start off, take your wrapper, just like that. And you need, there's this layer, a little bit of coating on there. You can put it on your gums right now, your teeth, that is. Wouldn't work very well, wouldn't look very well. You need to get this top part off. Alrighty, jumping right on into it. You want to take the flat wrapper of gum, just get a little wet. A little wet. You can lick it, you can do whatever you want. I'm just going to be using sink water. Just get it wet, and back to the table we go. Once you have it nicely saturated, you can give it a little dap on the paper towel there. But the next step is going to be removing the outside paper to really make these grills pop. You can do it without removing this paper, but trust me, it's not even close to as good. This is going to take a little bit of time. This is going to be very precise because your goal is to remove this paper on the outside and to get down to just the foil, just so it pops really well. Just go very slowly, just slowly removing this paper. Might take some time, but I know you're very capable of this. You want to have some nice 5 gum grills. Best in the business, man. Right, slowly remove this. Sometimes you can get the roll and you can roll some off. I mean, if you nick it a little bit, like you can see I've nicked it very, very tinily there. Who cares? Your grills are going to look gorgeous either way. Just keep on rolling. I'll come back to you once I have this done. Shouldn't take very long for me. And if you can get it perfect, you can just rip the entire coating off. And yeah, I'm almost done here, but it hasn't been very hard. Just a very tiny nick that's not going to make any difference. And that is it. Completely done. Now we have a 5 gum wrapper that is just basically foil with no back coating. I mean, you can see I messed up a couple times, but you know, you got to do it sometimes. It happens. These are 5 gum Grillz, and now we got to go put them on in. Alrighty, and once you've gotten all that paper off, you know, you're at the fun part. You have your foil, it's your foil. Whoa, that light is bright, but you have your 5 gum foil. And what you want to go do, you know how to put on them grill. It's 5 gum Grillz. What can I say? Take your grill. And you just coat your teeth, you know? I don't know how healthy this is. I haven't done it in like, probably been like 10 years. Does it have a purpose? No, you talk pretty funny when you have it though. 5 gum Grillz. You can get it in there perfectly. Wow. Doesn't feel like anything. Yeah, okay. You can go on both, so yeah, but this has been 5 gum Grillz. If you ever just want to like freak people out and walk on in there and be like, hey, yo, got the 5 gum Grillz. Well, yeah, I didn't know you talk this funny. I don't remember that.